Founded in 1938 by a group of area citizens who wanted affordable and reliable electricity for their homes, Central Alabama Electric Cooperative, or CAEC, has always and continues to be deeply rooted in the communities we serve. As a part of that dedication to those communities, CAEC introduced the Bright Ideas Grant Program in 1998. This program is designed to help fund innovative and effective classroom education curriculums that are not typically covered by traditional school funding.
Yesterday we went out and we discovered bones, and we have a mystery we're trying to solve. There's a neighbor of the school that has lost his cat, and he was wondering if these bones belong to his cat. So today they were looking at skeleton charts and examining the bones and looking for details to see whether they could determine that was indeed his cat. They also need to evaluate whether they have enough information to answer his question.
I think it's right here, that hole.
No.
They're dissecting pigs to help study the body systems. In Alabama Science, they try to learn the body systems so they can get a quick overview so they can understand what's going on in their bodies. Anything that they can do hands-on and see what's actually going on, they learn from and they'll remember for the rest of their lives. If it wasn't for this grant, we would not have been able to do this. 7th and 8th grade science, you don't get any money in the classroom, so we have to look for other ways to be able to get money to do projects.
Even though quite often we take money out of our own pocket to purchase things, this is a little beyond what we can afford.
Teachers in public and private schools K through 12 and home school associations in CAEC's service area are eligible to participate. Grants are awarded annually for projects in any discipline and are intended to help teachers within CAEC's service area provide a better educated workforce.
We used the money this year to teach the students how the parts of the computer work. We also taught them how to order the parts. And then the final stage was to put the parts together to make a computer and to make sure that it works and to load software and get it up and running. If you've got a high school age student that can figure out how to put a computer together, that makes him an asset in a technical field at an early age.
We need engineers, we need doctors, we need scientists for the next generation to build the infrastructure of this country. I brought lab equipment. Specifically, I bought heating elements to be able to run some experiments that I needed to purchase. Under science, technology, engineering, and math, you have to have a hands-on component. I can explain it to them, we can do all the work on the board and on paper, but until you put your hands on a beaker and actually do the chemical reactions, then it doesn't mean a whole lot to a lot of people.
And once students get that hands-on experience,
now they're excited about science, they're excited about chemistry and physics. Hopefully they'll choose curriculums in college that are more advanced, get a better career, make a better living, be a more productive citizen. The cycle just continues.
With classroom funding being restricted due to state economic conditions, the program is taking on a new and more important meaning, allowing teachers to continue teaching in creative ways despite the lack of funding.
The dance mat is something that we use in large group and small group, and it has different activities that come up on the projector, and the children use their feet to dance on it to answer the questions.
This is addition. We're going to be adding one number.
We do not have a lot of funds. We didn't get any funds this year, so it's great to get something new in the classroom, especially technology. That is wonderful. We'd love to have another dance mat, honestly, because we share this with our 4 teachers, so it'd be nice to have 2 so we could have more time with it.
Grants are judged through a simple application process. Individual teachers can apply for grants up to $750, and teams of educators can apply for up to $1,500 in funds.
It was very easy.
It was very easy.
I thought it was extremely simple.
Compared to other grants that I have written, it was one of the easiest ones to simply explain what I need and why I need it without having to do jump through a lot of hoops.
You answer the questions in tell the truth and write down what they asked for, and it's very easy.
We all sat down as a group and wrote the grant, and we really enjoy the dance mat.
If you doubt you would win or would rather not go through with the trouble of applying for a grant,
I used to be one of those, and I felt very foolish when I saw how easy it actually was. And when I got it, I thought, I want to do this again.
We were like, okay, we know we're not going to get any of this money, but we're going to give it our best shot and see what happens. And if you don't apply, you definitely will not win a grant.
for more information about the Bright Ideas Grant Program and how it can benefit your school or classroom, visit our website, www.caec.coop.